Hey everyone, today I'm just going to show you quickly how to link your garage door opener to the opener that's already built into your vehicle. Today I'm going to be showing you specifically for a Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited 2025, but this will work with any of the vehicles that you see that have this. They should mostly be the same. I believe it's called HomeLink, so Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, all should be very similar. So this should be incredibly simple. So all you need to do here, I've already programmed one for our other garage door, but I'm just going to do number 2 here. Assuming you bought the vehicle new, you shouldn't have to erase the codes. If you do have to erase the codes, you're going to press and hold the 1 and the 3 here until it blinks rapidly. So you're going to hold that for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then you'll see it blink rapidly, and that'll let you know the codes have been erased that are on the buttons currently. So in order to do this, I'm just going to press one of these buttons I haven't programmed yet, which is number 2 and number 3 here, and it's going to blink slowly. This means that it's waiting for a code. If you press that and it blinks quickly, that means a code's already been assigned to it. Then I'm just going to press and hold this at the same time this is blinking, and that is going to program this signal to this button. Okay. And you can see there that the LED is blinking quickly. That means that it's taken the code. So I'm just going to let that sit there until that stops blinking. All right, now we're just going to press that button, make sure it opens the garage door. Okay. Which you can see it is. And that's all there is to it. All right, thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, I appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified of future videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. See you on the next one.